Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook meals in 7 Deadly Sins Origins. So first, to start cooking, you need to find a cooking station or head to a tavern or camp in the game. These are the places where you can prepare meals. Once you interact with it, you'll see a list of recipes you can make. Now, each recipe requires specific ingredients, so you'll need to gather those first. You can get ingredients from simply exploring, hunting, or completing quests, or even buying them from shops. Once you have what you need, just select the recipe you want to cook. After that, go ahead and confirm, and your character will cook the meal instantly. The food will then be added to your inventory, ready to use whenever you need it. Now, here's why cooking is important. Meals can actually give you helpful buffs like increased attack, defense, or healing effects. Some dishes are perfect before tough battles, while others are great for general exploration. And if you want better meals, try unlocking more recipes as you progress and collect higher quality ingredients. And that's about it. Cooking in 7 Deadly Sins Origin is simple. Just gather ingredients, use a cooking station, and prepare meals to boost your performance. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!